this is a D-cut bag. The bag, it's winding in the two sides. So when you get to the bag size, it's calculated. You can from the bag top here to here. This is the open waist. It's the fabric roll waist, including from the bag mouth folder here. From the bag height, two side bag height, plus the bag mouth folder. It's depend on the bag type. Some bag type is a D-cut, some bag it's the handle, like this one. Plus here, and here, and you can check whether your bag have the bottom in center, the height. So from here to here, here, and here. And this is a box bag made by the XB model. It's the same calculated way from the bag mouth to the bag height and the bottom in center. Same. The open waist is here. From bag mouth folder, bag height, the bottom open in center way, and the bag height and here.